All right, on the 10th day of morning pages, my true love gave to me the worst night of sleep of my life. Not the worst, one of the worst. And just complete aggravation. That's what I got gifted on my 10th day of morning pages. I have some kind of mysterious illness with my gut. It really, I get like a cough a little bit, my stomach gets destroyed, and my eyes get kind of red, and I have like a weird smell or like a taste in my mouth. I don't even really know how to really describe it all. I recently got a MRI or an ultrasound. And there's nothing found. So it's one of those fun, mysterious illnesses, and doesn't happen all the time, but it's been happening for about 7 or 8 years now. So that's fun. And then on top of that, a lot of times I just can't sleep well, and I just woke up. I've been up since essentially 3 a.m. this morning. I'm watching these two dogs that really test me, and I do have like love for them, and they are enjoyable at times. But the one was barking all night, not all night, but throughout the night, and then they get up to go to the bathroom in the morning. It's just the whole thing, and I I've been fucking frustrated as hell with it all. And I mean, when you're lying in bed at 3:30 in the morning and your whole body and mind is like tingling and on fire, and you can't do anything about it. I mean, I did breath work exercises, that didn't help. Nothing helped. And now I'm talking about it on here, and it's not even shit that I like talking about, but I decided, I'm gonna say all that, and I woke up I'm so fucking over it. I'm so fucking over this shit of feeling this way or whatever is going through me or working through me. I don't know. It's not anything. It's just whatever is in me that is still I'm holding on to or I'm not letting go of. I don't know what the fuck it is. I mean, I'm on this fucking healing journey or whatever you want to fucking call it. And it's like, when does it fucking end? When does it fucking, or I guess it doesn't end. I guess that's the whole thing. It's like you go on it and then you just continue to live a more aware life, but you're still fucked up. You're still feeling fucking shitty. And then you go on. I mean, I hope for some of you that I know I'm complaining right now, but I hope it's just it gives some of you motivation that I don't know, like every time I scroll social media, it's everybody, like they say, it's everybody living their best lives and everybody having everything going on in their life. But that's not even realistically. I mean, reading this book about the shadow, it's like that shit, you have to integrate it. You have to bring it out. So this is part of my shadow work, to sit here and talk about all the shit that's wrong with me, all the shit that pisses me off, and I don't give a fuck because it's flowing through everybody. I wish more people did it. I mean, that's why I think I like comedy, because comedians are ranting and raving about a bunch of shit, and they're letting their energies, their dark energies and their light energies all mixed together. So, I don't know. I'm just fucking annoyed today, but you know what? Despite all that I slept for like 3 or 4 hours or whatever it was, and then I just been sitting there, lying in bed like in hell, essentially. It's like the point. It's like I'd rather be fucking dead, than sit here and deal with this bullshit. Like I was saying yesterday in the comments, it's like, why the fuck did I come back to this planet if I could be just an energy source? But the one thing about like working through shit, doing these pages, healing stuff, it's like I'm so fucking over all the bullshit. I'm done holding on to things. I'm done with a lot. So that's where I'm at with stuff. And this is getting way too long. So I'm just gonna start, and if you don't want to hear me rant about stuff, just don't watch it, I guess. You know, what do I care? I mean, this doesn't do anything. I mean, I don't know. I guess that's the thing. Just don't watch it. You don't have to watch anything you don't want to watch. So here we go. June 29th, fucking 2023. I'm going to do these fucking pages. Day 10. Woohoo. It's supposed to be, I thought it'd be a good day. It'd be a double digit day. I thought it'd be a big celebration. And of course, I thought all wrong. And I got my ass kicked by life last night. Whatever's moving through me just really wanted to fuck me up. And it succeeded. But you know what? Fuck you, whatever energy that is. I'm fucking here. I'm doing my fucking morning pages. And after this, I'm going to go fucking work out. And I'm going to go fucking throughout my fucking day. I'm going to go to improv. I'm going to make decisions. I'm going to do the shit I need to do. And whatever the fuck is wrong with my fucking head, I hope it fucking gets resolved. Whatever's wrong with my fucking head, it's like, resolve it, because I'm not stopping. I'm not fucking stopping until I'm fucking dead, because that's all that we can do. Here we go. Morning fucking pages, day 10, June 29th. Here we go. There it is, day 10, done. Page 1, page 2, page 3. 3 pages, handwritten cursive that nobody can ever read, including myself. That was, I don't know. I said a lot in the beginning. Do I even need to say anything at the end? I'm just over this. I'm just writing about this. I'm really trying to let this stuff go. Just thinking about the idea of me actually holding on to this, or I was thinking of the idea of creating suffering in ourselves, and how maybe it's a choice that we choose for whatever reason. I think I chose suffering when I was in my early 20s for various reasons, feeling not good enough, feeling like I don't deserve certain things, and it's just not a fun path to take. And I'm kind of over it. So that was all I was writing about, essentially, just how over it I am, and how I'm so, I don't know, I just, at this point in my life, I don't know, I'm just really working on surrendering everything. I don't have any stake as far as like who I am anymore. I don't care about that anymore. I don't care about a lot of stuff that I used to care about, because there's no point. So I'm just watching myself almost from a distance. That's stuff I learned from reading some stuff about like Zen and stuff like that, which I really enjoy reading, and it resonates with me. It's all about getting out of your own way and just shifting things. I don't know if any of this is making sense. It's early. I'm on only a few hours of sleep. I'm agitated. I just feel like throwing my phone out the window would be like throwing this phone like as far, just taking this phone and just bashing it or throwing it or doing anything. That's where like my brain's at right now. You know, I'd be a great person right now to go in one of those rooms where you just destroy stuff. Like, that's where I'm at. Like that would be like very fun for me right now to go and like break furniture and TVs and light fixtures and shatter glass against the wall. Shatter glass against the wall. It's funny, and it's like this is, I don't know. That's what I want to do right now. I think it'd be a blast. Go like, I mean, if you could just survive, like go drive a car off, like jump out of it just before it flies off a cliff, that would be fun. Just to fucking floor it, jump out, roll on the ground, and just watch it fly and just explode, and just kind of laugh about it. uh, Blowing stuff up would be fun right now. Just not like people or anything like that, but just explosions and things like that. That would be kind of fun. I don't know what that means. I guess it means I want to destroy a part of I do want to destroy this part of myself that's holding on to whatever suffering I'm putting myself through, because I'm so over it. It's like I'm ready to live the Margaritaville life. Just give me that life. And I'll see you at the beach. So it's a good way to end it. So yeah, have a wonderful day, and I see y'all tomorrow. Day 11. It's gonna be so much better.